Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the critical error Start Menu message that stops you from accessing your apps on Windows 11. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The quickest way to bypass this error and get back into your computer is to force the desktop interface to reload. We can do this without rebooting the whole PC. Since your Start button isn't working, we need to use a keyboard shortcut. Go ahead and press Ctrl Shift and Esc at the same time to open the Task Manager. If you see a small window, click More Details at the bottom to expand it. In the list of processes, scroll all the way down until you find Windows Explorer, which usually looks like a folder icon. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Your screen and taskbar will flash for a second. Don't panic, that is normal. Once it reappears, try clicking your Start button again to see if the error is gone. If the error comes back, we need to fix the corrupted files causing the issue. We will do this by reinstalling the Start Menu package using PowerShell. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type in PowerShell. Now, hold down Ctrl and Shift while you hit Enter. This is the shortcut to run it as an administrator. Click Yes if asked for permission. In the blue window, we need to type a specific command. I will put this in the description for you to copy, but it starts with Get-AppxPackage all users. Paste the following command, Get-AppxPackage all users /each, add app package, disable development mode, register, $, install location, \appxmanifest.xml. Once you paste that in, hit Enter and let it run. You might see some red text errors scroll by. That is okay, just let it finish the process. Finally, just to ensure no deep system files are broken, we will run a quick system scan. Keep that PowerShell window open or open it again if you closed it. Type in the command sfc /scan now. Hit Enter and wait for the percentage bar to reach 100%. This tool will automatically find and repair any corrupted Windows files that might be triggering the Start Menu crash. Once it says Verification 100% complete, close the window and restart your computer normally. And that's it. Your Start Menu should now be working perfectly without that critical error popping up. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.